Introduction. Biology is a complex and fascinating field that plays a crucial role in understanding life on Earth. However, it is often surrounded by myths and misconceptions that can lead to misunderstandings about how living organisms function. From the way our brains work to the myths surrounding common animals and medical practices, many of these beliefs have been ingrained in popular culture for years. This article aims to debunk some of the most common biology myths, providing clarity and factual information on various biological concepts. 1. Humans only use 10% of their brains. One of the most pervasive myths is that humans only utilize 10% of their brains. This belief has been widely propagated in media and popular culture, suggesting that the untapped potential of the remaining 90% could unlock extraordinary abilities. In reality, neuroimaging studies such as functional MRI, fMRI, scans have shown that we use virtually all parts of our brain, even when we are at rest. Different regions of the brain are responsible for various functions. Some control movement, while others process sensory information, regulate emotions, and support cognitive tasks like memory and problem solving. While it is true that not all neurons fire at the same time, the idea that 90% of our brain is dormant is a myth. The brain is an incredibly efficient organ, and every part has a known function. 2. Goldfish have a 3-second memory. Another common misconception is that goldfish have incredibly short memories, lasting only 3 seconds. This myth likely stems from the observation that goldfish often swim in circles and seem to forget their surroundings. However, research has demonstrated that goldfish can remember things for months. Studies conducted by researchers at Plymouth University revealed that goldfish could learn to navigate mazes and perform tasks to receive rewards, showcasing their cognitive abilities. They can even recognize their owners and respond to simple commands. Goldfish exhibit a remarkable capacity for learning and memory, dispelling the myth of their short memory spans. 3. You swallow 8 spiders a year while sleeping. The idea that people swallow an average of 8 spiders per year while sleeping is a myth that likely originated from urban legends and sensational stories. Spiders are generally timid creatures that avoid humans, especially in the presence of movement. The chances of swallowing one in your sleep are extremely low, and there is no scientific evidence to support this claim. Entomologists explain that spiders are more likely to flee than to crawl into a sleeping person's mouth. This myth can be traced back to a combination of fear of spiders and the propensity for sensational stories, but it has no basis in reality. 4. Vaccines cause autism. The myth linking vaccines to autism has been thoroughly debunked by numerous scientific studies and reviews. The original study that suggested a connection was published in 1998 by Andrew Wakefield, but has since been retracted due to ethical concerns and significant flaws in its methodology. Extensive research, including large-scale studies involving millions of children, has found no causal relationship between vaccines and the development of autism spectrum disorder. Vaccination remains a critical tool in preventing infectious diseases and protecting public health. The persistence of this myth has led to increased vaccine hesitancy, which can have serious consequences for community health, emphasizing the need for accurate information about vaccines. 5. Cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Many people believe that cracking knuckles leads to arthritis, often citing anecdotal evidence or family wisdom. However, studies have found no link between knuckle cracking and the development of arthritis. The sound of cracking knuckles is caused by the rapid release of gas bubbles from the synovial fluid in joints when they are stretched. While habitual knuckle cracking may lead to other joint issues, such as swelling or reduced grip strength, it does not cause arthritis. Research published in the Journal of Hand Surgery indicates that while knuckle cracking can be annoying to others, it is not harmful to the joints. This myth highlights the importance of distinguishing between common beliefs and scientific evidence. 6. Bats are blind. The phrase blind as a bat is misleading and has contributed to misconceptions about these fascinating creatures. Bats are not blind. In fact, they have functional eyes and can see. While many bat species rely on echolocation to navigate and hunt for food in the dark, their eyesight is quite good. Some species can see well enough to hunt during the day. Bats are equipped with advanced sensory systems that allow them to thrive in various environments. The misunderstanding that bats are blind may stem from their nocturnal habits and reliance on echolocation, but they possess visual capabilities that are essential for their survival. 7. Humans share 50% of their DNA with bananas. While it is true that humans share a significant percentage of DNA with many organisms, the figure is often misrepresented. Humans share approximately 60% of their DNA with bananas. This figure reflects the basic cellular functions that are conserved across life forms, illustrating the commonalities in the genetic makeup of all living organisms. However, this does not mean that humans are half banana. It simply indicates that the building blocks of life share certain fundamental characteristics. This myth serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the common ancestry that many species share. 8. Hair and nails continue to grow after death. The belief that hair and nails continue to grow after death is a myth that can be traced back to the way bodies change after death. In reality, growth stops at death. What actually happens is that the skin dehydrates and retracts, which can create the illusion that hair and nails are longer. This phenomenon has led to the misconception that hair and nails are still growing. The myth has been popularized in various media portrayals of death and decay, but scientifically, there is no growth of hair or nails after death. 9. You can sweat out toxins. Many people believe that sweating helps eliminate toxins from the body, often associating heavy sweating with detoxification. While sweat can contain small amounts of waste products, the primary organs responsible for detoxification are the liver and kidneys. These organs filter out toxins and waste materials from the bloodstream and excrete them through urine and feces. Staying hydrated and maintaining a healthy lifestyle are the most effective ways to support these organs. The myth that sweating can detoxify the body can lead to misconceptions about health and wellness, highlighting the need for accurate information about bodily functions. 10. Mammals evolved from reptiles. While it is true that mammals share a common ancestor with reptiles, it is a simplification to say that mammals evolved directly from them. Instead, mammals and reptiles share a more ancient common ancestor that lived around 320 million years ago. This common ancestor eventually diversified into two distinct lineages, one leading to reptiles and the other to mammals. Over millions of years, mammals evolved unique traits such as warm-bloodedness, fur, and mammary glands, setting them apart from reptiles. Understanding this evolutionary history helps clarify the complexities of animal classification and evolutionary biology. Conclusion: understanding biology is crucial for informed discussions about health, the environment, and the natural world. By debunking these myths, we can foster a better appreciation for the complexities of living organisms and promote scientific literacy. Disentangling fact from fiction is essential in navigating the often misunderstood field of biology, allowing us to make informed decisions and engage in meaningful conversations about life sciences.